Hi, welcome to video series on operating system. Here we are discussing about sections of a process in memory. And here first one we are discussing command line arguments and text and data segment, stack segment, heap segment, and program counter and register status. Here where is sections of a process memory. Here we are discussing about command line argument. When a program is run for a script or the command line, it receives input from this source. With the help of this argument, user can define input data or change the functionality of an application by passing parameters. Example, the program is called script.py and the command line argument is called input.text. In a command like Python script.py input.text. And next thing is text. The program's executable instructions are included in the text segment, sometimes referred to as the code segment, in order to guard against unintentional or malicious code alternation. This code is usually read only. For example, the section contains a programmer's compiled machine code and data. The programmer initializes in the global and static variables in the data segment. It is split into two more sections. Initialize the data segment, sorry, two more sections. And first one is initialize the data segment consists of a static and global variables with initial value that are 0. And second one, uninitialized data segment consists of a static and global variables that are either left uninitialized or initialized to 0. For instance, in this initialized data segments are variables like int global var equal to 10 in C. Stack information about control flow, local variables, and functions call are all managed by the stack segment. When functions are called and returned, it's expanded or contracts correspondingly. The parameters returned address local variables and store CPU register of an function are all contained on the stack frame that is created for each function call. For instance, the stack holds any local variables like int local var that are declared inside a function and heap. The allocation of dynamic memory task placed in the heap section. The heap stores in memory that is allocated during the runtime by a function like new in C++ or malloc in C. As a memory is allocated and released, the heap can dynamically expanded and counted. Here you can see the example of the heap segment, and next one is program counter. The address of a subsequent instructions to be carried out in the program is stored in the program counter. The order in which instructions are executed is critical information for the CPU to know. For instance, for the next instruction, the program counter will be if the current instructions is allocated at this location. And next thing is register status. The values of the CPU register, small quick storage space needed for a variety of operations, are contained in the register status. During the execution of program, register hold addresses, commands, and intermediate data. And you can see the example. Temporary data and address and control informations are stored in the registers such as the accumulators, base register, and index register and stack pointer throughout the program execution.